Welcome guys to another video about passive income and all the awesome ways you can make tons of money while sleeping. That's a joke. As a beginner, it's definitely not a lot of money and definitely not passive. In order to really build a successful, true passive income business that generates money around the clock, you have to put a lot of work in the beginning, which involves many sleepless nights while making very little money in return, with the hope that someday the business will grow and all that hard work will start paying off. Take me, for example. Nothing super glamorous here. I have a full-time 9-to-5 job that I enjoy. I have a wife and a baby. So whatever work I put into this whole Pointers business happens at night after I'm back from work, after I spend time with my family, and after everyone sleeps. That's when I start filming these videos, editing these videos, responding to comments and emails. My point is, it's definitely a grind and needs a lot of hustle in the beginning to make something really work. I had fun making the how much money I made on YouTube video, and I like that I'm scratching the surface of making videos about passive income. These types of videos, especially the ones with personal information, serve as a way for me to document my process and hopefully see the progress from one video to the next when I make an updated video in the future about how those income streams grew, and also serve as inspiration for any of you who are interested in starting a YouTube channel or fascinated by the idea of passive income like I am, and really just get a full idea of how much income can be generated by such a small following. I've been doing this for only a little over a year now, and at the time of recording of this video, I have only about 6,700 subscribers. I say only because, I mean, a lot of people think to make a lot of money, you need hundreds of thousands of subscribers. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let's talk about how I generated $3,268.60 in a single month from 5 passive income sources. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in credit cards and award travel, and I guess now passive income, then please consider subscribing. You can also download my free 10-step award travel guide in the description below. So my first passive income source I'd like to talk about is YouTube. In the month of June, I made $396.18 from YouTube ad revenue. Not bad at all for a year-old channel with only 6,700 subscribers. Like I said in my previous video, my channel was only monetized in the middle of January of 2019, so it's very, very new. But what I noticed is that the income has been very much steady for those few months, between a little over $300 to a little over $400 a month, which is actually a lot more than I thought I'd make from YouTube ad revenue, to be honest. Before I started my channel or knew anything about this industry, I had no idea how much YouTubers make, but I know that I always thought that I needed like 4 million, 5 million subscribers to make good money on YouTube. But I quickly realized that it all really has to do with the views, and other big factor is the type of content. So if you go on a website like Social Blade, which is a website that gives you data on any YouTube channel, like how many views it has, how many subscribers, average daily views, average daily subscribers gained, and total views and subscribers in the last 30 days. But it also gives you an estimate on how much money that channel makes. The thing is, it's a huge range. As you can see here, Social Blade estimates that my channel makes anywhere between $12 to $196 per month. That's a very, very wide range. And this is why. They do this estimate based on CPM rates ranging from 25 cents to $4. CPM is how much a channel makes per 1,000 views. I do something very unhealthy, which is I often go to see channels like PewDiePie and Graham Stephan and other big channels just to look at their estimates and try to picture how it would feel if this is my channel. Graham Stephan easily makes double these estimates, and PewDiePie is making a few million each month. That's insane. And that's just from YouTube ad revenue. Anyway, this CPM rate tends to be on the higher end for channels that talk about personal finance, real estate, and just educational, high quality, clean content. So that's why my channel's CPM is about $6 to $7, and that's actually after YouTube takes its cut. So the average gross CPM is about $12 to $13, and YouTube takes 45%, which leaves me with about $6 to $7 for every 1,000 views on my videos. Also, swearing or talking about sensitive topics might lower your CPM and may even get your channel demonetized. That's why you'll find that some prank channels can make $10,000 from 10 million views, but someone like Graham Stephan can make $100,000 from the same 10 million views. Another big factor to consider also is that YouTube allows you to add multiple ads in videos that are 10 minutes or longer. So that can easily double or triple the amount of money you make from ad revenue. Let's move to income source number 2, which is my Ultimate Award Travel course. I talked about this course a lot in the month of June, which is why it's the month with the highest number of sales. The course brought me $1,830 in the month of June. I launched this course in early January, and overall I made a little less than $5,000 in sales from the course so far. I always leave the link in the description so I get some sales that way. So if you want to check it out, you can find it there. It's $99 and it will teach you the best practice strategy for applying for travel rewards credit cards to maximize your points earning. Then I also show you how you can double or quadruple your points earning potential. I also explain how to use the best travel hacking tools available that will help you find out how much award flights cost between any 2 cities across all the major frequent flyer programs. Follow that up with a comprehensive guide on searching and booking award flights with many top frequent flyer programs like Aeroplan, ANA, American Airlines, United, and many, many more. I also give you a comprehensive guide on searching and booking free nights at hotels. Pretty much all the information you need to become an expert travel hacker and start traveling the world for little to no money. All that and a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. You're probably thinking, why would anyone pay for this course when you can get pretty much all this info for free online? Yes, you can, but this course is the product of 4 years of daily research, experience of opening more than 50 credit cards and redeeming millions of points for business and first-class flights and award stays at 5-star hotels around the world. I pack all this information in one comprehensive, easy to understand course that is worth a lot more than $99. The information in there is what made me able to earn more than 6 million points and redeem 2.7 million points for $160,000 worth of travel in the last 4 years. Okay, let's move to income source number 3, which is new. So this income is not actually from the month of June, but from the month of July when I started it. And that is credit card affiliates. I made $1,035 in the month of July from credit card affiliates. And this is where I'm focusing now. The beauty about this model is that I'm not selling you anything. Like, you're not paying me anything or paying any extra money out of your pocket for me to earn that income. All it is that I recommend the cards that I like the most and present them to you. And if you like them and want to support me and my channel, all you have to do is click through my affiliate links and apply like you normally would. So it doesn't cost you anything extra and it doesn't cost me anything. I mean, it might cost you an annual fee on the card if you're going to get a good travel rewards credit card with an annual fee, but that's no different than applying for the credit card directly with the bank. Bottom line is, you're not paying anything extra to apply for the card you want through me. And since we're on the topic of credit cards, if you're new to my channel and new to credit cards and travel rewards, right now the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is offering a welcome bonus of 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. That welcome bonus is worth at least $750 in travel purchases when you book travel through Chase's travel portal. The annual fee on the card is $95, so you're easily up by $655 in the first year alone, and you'll earn 2x points on travel and dining purchases. You can learn more about the Chase Sapphire Preferred card using the links in the description. Make sure you click show more to read the advertiser disclosure. My 4th source of passive income is Amazon affiliate. I put a bunch of links in the description of stuff I use that I got from Amazon, like my cameras, a large credit card wallet, passport covers, and things like that. And whenever someone clicks on any of those links and buys anything, I get a commission from Amazon. It's something like 5% or so, and it depends on what type of purchase that person made. What's cool though is that I get a commission on anything that person buys after they click. So if they clicked on a $12 link for a wallet, but they end up buying a $180,000 Richard Mille watch, I'll get a commission on that. That hasn't happened to me yet, but hey, you never know. So if you look at the month of June, you see I made a whopping $7.42 from Amazon. Hey, every little bit helps. It's not super lucrative. I mean, look at the amount of clicks and the conversion ratio. Not great. Let's see how much I made so far in 2019 from Amazon. Just $50. I mean, not bad at all. Now, my 5th and final source of passive income, not really sure if I can call it an income yet since it generated me $0 so far, but it's my merch store. Listen, every YouTuber and their mother has a merch store, so why not me? I made this very simple merch store, and all I sell there is a bunch of hats and snapbacks like this one that I always wear here on the channel. I don't know why I haven't sold any yet. They're very cool and they're fresh, and I have many styles, designs, and colors on there. And I'm selling them for only $29. And if you use the coupon code POINTS, you'll get 20% off your first order. Anyway, according to Shopify, I'm well on my way to making my first sale. It says that it typically takes like 346 visits to the store before making the first sale, and so far I have about 250 visits, so we'll see. So that's it guys, that's how my small channel of less than 7,000 subscribers can generate me $3,268 a month. Obviously, this is not steady income and it can go up and down depending on many factors. Can this be a source of my full-time income? Probably. Like I said, right now this is not a ton of money, but what I'm working on here is the potential and looking for the long term. I truly see this being successful over time. Just like anything, if you work hard at it, it will work. And I believe I'm working really hard on making this work, and I'm providing you guys with quality educational content that will truly help you when it comes to your finances, your credit cards, and your travel experiences. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you did, please make sure to hit the like button. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.